Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalia and today I figured I would do a get ready with me, first impressions, something like that. I was gonna do a video on the soft glam, but then I saw on Instagram that Hot Topic had came out with a Moana eyeshadow palette, so I called them and they had it. So I'm gonna be using it today for my video. So I have it right here in front of me. It retails for $14.90 plus tax in California. And this is what it looks like. So this is what the inside looks like. Should I leave that on? Alright, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see what the eyes will start to look like. Alright, so I'm gonna start by putting on my headband because I don't like having my hair in my face. I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids, and usually I'm too lazy to get eye primer, so I just use whatever concealer I'm gonna use for under my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in C7. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with the Real Techniques detailing mini blender thing. I don't like using the big one. I like using the little ones. I feel like it's a lot more comfortable. It's like this concealer shade might be the right one. We'll see once we put it on the under eye. Hopefully I don't look like an under eye ghost. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Wet n Wild in Brulee. I like using this for setting my eyes just because it's just a skin color matte shadow. Alright, so we're gonna get started with the Moana. This one right here. Stingray. There's a lot of fallout. It's very powdery. I don't know how I feel about this. Next, I'm gonna take Tiki, this color right here. Tap it off and I swear, like, the whole thing falls off. Next, I'm gonna take the Tamatoa. I'm probably killing the names, but it's okay. Tamatoa. I'm gonna just put it all over the lid. I mean, it's showing, but they're very, very light. Not pigmented. I just really gotta do my brush on my tear to get in color. I mean, the color is there, but I don't know if you guys can see. It's looking more pinky than purple. Next, I'm gonna take a Tua Osami. This one here, which is like a darker purple. You guys see that? Look at that. It's like falling all over my face. Alright, well I'm gonna go back to the first shade we used, Stingray. I'm gonna see if I can blend this out. I don't like these. They're so powdery. I'm gonna keep going with the Tawa Osami. Darken the crease a little bit. I think we're gonna stop right there. Also, the swatchings on these are terrible. What I'm gonna do now is get a face wipe. I'm gonna remove all this crazy fallout. So I'm gonna start with the Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer in Candlelight. Just recently bought this as a recommendation Jessica Braun. She mentioned this on her video and she said it was really good. So, like an obedient soldier that I am, I bought it. It's supposed to give you a candlelight glow to your face. Oh, and it's a dropper. So you drop it in your face. I'm assuming you don't put more than like a pump. Smells really nice. Oh, by the way, I'm doing this now so that it can soak up into my face. And I'm gonna finish the eyes. On the neck. It is a little sticky, but not like greasy, gross sticky. So now we're gonna do eyebrows. Eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Covergirl in soft brown. I think this is called like, oh yeah, the Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. I use this more than my Anastasia brow wiz. So then I'm gonna take the back with just the spoolie. Get out. I'm gonna come in with the brow shaping gel by Milani. Kind of gives your brows a little bit of definition, but it makes them look a bit more natural. Next, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. And I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. But I'm going to do it off camera. Now that we got the eyeliner on, for the lashes, I'm going to be using the Lancome Monsieur Big, which is definitely not how you say it, but that's how I say it. You guys can tell the difference. And we're going to be using the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. I originally bought the MC1, which is medium neutral 4, but it was too dark. So then I had to go and get the MC1, which is medium cool. And when I put them together, then they work. And this one actually comes too with a doe foot applicator, which is super convenient. So I'm going to go in with the MC1 first. And then I'm going to come in with the MN4, which is the darker shade. And I'm coming with my L'Oreal blending sponge. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it both in. These ones, by the way, don't really smell like anything. You guys see how much darker that is? Look at that. They're both supposed to be medium. Then I'm going to be using again the Revolution color and Conceal and Define. And I'm going to take the Real Techniques little mini sponge again. I'm going to start to blend it out. Not bad. What do you guys think? Not too bad. I think it's my shade. Alright, so we got that everywhere here. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Fit Me powder in light medium. I'm going to grab another brush just remove the under eye powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronze. This is one of their newer shades. They're a little darker. And just lightly dust this on my face.
Bring it up to my forehead, one of the cheeks, to my temples.
Then I'm gonna take the Essence Satin Touch Blush. Satin Coral. And then just lightly dust that on the cheeks. I'm not big about blushes, but I do like to give my face a little bit of color. For my favorite part, we're gonna be highlighting the face. And I'm gonna use the Colourpop In-Nude-Endo with the shade Fine Line. And dust that on the cheekbones. This is such a pretty highlight. A little bit on the cheek so when you smile you can see it. Shade On Tempo, just because it has a little bit of purple in it. We're gonna finish off with my Color Effects Mattifying Setting Spray. And this will just help all the powders melt into the face. And then for the lips, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Wolfie. Alright guys, well this is the finished look. As far as this goes, I mean, if you like Disney, then you can get it because it's cute. I mean, as far as like the quality, Catrice, this was really good. We'll see how it makes my makeup look throughout the day. For the Revolution concealer, I mean, seems like it concealed, brightened. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would also appreciate if you guys could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys will know when I upload next, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. You want to say hi? Whoa! I thought we were friends. Do I look sexy?